Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about upper function. Okay, it's very simple function converted to the string to the uppercase. If you're given string in the form of lowercase, the entire strings in the form of lowercase it converted to the uppercase. If the sum of the characters in the uppercase form or words in the uppercase form, it is not going to be any changes. That's it. Very simple. Let's see how it is going to be work through code. So here I will going to be write here text equal to welcome to Lingaraj Tech Hub. Fine. Print text dot upper. Okay, let's see what is going to be happen. See, all the characters in given string is going to be converted in the form of uppercase. But already I will given as a welcome, the beginning character is the capital, and Lingaraj take up the beginning character will the L will be the capital. But the character beginning characters are remaining same. All the succeeding characters are going to be changes to the capital or to the uppercase form. That's it. This is a very simple form, a simple function. Okay, let's see another example. Text equal to, I will taken as a my best learning website is free code cap. Okay, then print text dot upper. Okay, my best learning website is free code cap. All the characters are going to be uppercase. If the beginning letters of a particular each and every word inside the string there is a capital, but the remaining characters excluding the beginning characters are going to be converted to the uppercase. Fine. So this is the work of uppercase function. That's it. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there. Please like this video, share with your friends, click the subscribe button, click also bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.